There's a lot of kits out there. You can get an 8-piece active lifter kit for like $100 and something to $200 something on eBay. Look at the reviews. The reviews are going to tell you 10 minutes later the things were clacking and ticking, and they had to do the whole job over again. Don't be cheap. GM has a revised lifter for this, and you're going to make sure that you get the right one. And I'm going to show you the difference and the part number. Alright, here we got our new lifter and our old one. Now there might be more differences between the two, but we were only able to notice one. The other ones might be internal. First of all, you want to make sure you have that part number. If you don't have that part number, that means somebody's selling you old stock, and you might be in trouble. Like that. Alright, so let's open it up. And we had opened this one up already and took this one out. Here's a quick test you're going to do, guys. Very quick test. Because if you look at them from the outside, they look identical. Same hole right there, same hole, everything. So how do you know the difference? What you're going to do is take you a deep